Right, this video we're going to show you Microsoft Whiteboard, which is a free app that you get as part of your Microsoft 365 account, and it's a tool that not many people know of. So let's go through it. Now you'll notice we've got this little icon down the bottom here, which is Microsoft Whiteboard. You can find it through the search bar once it's open. Just hold down again to right click, let go, and we can pin that to the taskbar to have that ready to go there. So in Microsoft Whiteboard, you get a bank of tools down here, and more importantly, we can select the pen icon to press a pen and press it again to expand the menu to choose your color and thickness to start inking away, like so. Great, so really nice and easy collaboration tool. What's nice about this as well is that it's an infinite space. So using one finger, we can just drag information off and back. If you have other people joining, we'll take you through this app using it in conjunction with Microsoft Teams. But if you do have people joining just in the app itself, where you've shared them the link and they've joined in with you, you can hit the follow me button and that'll just highlight as so. So whenever you're moving the canvas, everyone remote on this canvas with you will be moving with you. Now, what's nice is you can either pre-prepare information, more notably down the bottom right here, we've got 3 dots, and there's some extra functions where we can access your device files or your folder structure to insert documents, images. There's a whole lot of templates in here, which I'd encourage all of you to have a bit of a play around with and see what might work for your sessions that you're using the canvas for. But we can add in videos. So you can see here, I've just put in a YouTube video. This video, you don't want to hear this guy again. And as you can see here, we've inserted a PDF document as well. And when we're moving these around, they all line up. It just kind of locks it all in place automatically for you. So really easy to drive and a really nice collaboration tool, being able to add in documents, video links, and being able to ink, whether it's an in-room session or remote, by sharing the link here. Now everything saves automatically to the cloud, so you don't even have to physically press save on this. The little home button up the top left here will save all of your whiteboarding sessions. So yeah, you can just retrieve anything and continue working on with the group you're working with. So let's go back into here. And just lastly on this, the little settings cogwheel up the top right, you can change the background colors and everything as well. So we'll go to format background, and you can see here, we can change that as we need, even adding in grids and graphs and all sorts of things here too. So yeah, quite pliable. You're kind of limited by your imagination on how you want to drive this, but the fact of being able to add in documents, video links, images, and collaborating by sharing and adding people in, really powerful tool. You'll notice here we can add in post-it notes to drop things in, text boxes as well. Again, limited by your imagination, and that's essentially Microsoft Whiteboard, and encourage you to get amongst it.